need to take the boat on land. Kind of a classical problem on these type of boats. So every boat owner knows how much work it is to keep a boat in good conditions. And our boats, they work in the Arctic, which has its severe climate. They also run twice per day, 364 days per year. So that requires some additional effort from our team to keep everything in shape. Get a little leak in the gaskets of the sail drive. And the sail drive is a unit that sits on the engine and comes down in the water and connects to the propeller. And that little gasket next to the propeller, it's a little leak in that. Most likely a fishing line has been caught or something like that. So we're gonna take the boat on land, change the gasket and put it back in the water. Vi kommer in med segelbåten då, så vi lär om 10 minuter. Because we need to go really slow in, and as soon as we're locked in with the bow, we don't have any control of the stern. I'm gonna have to lean on this guy for a little bit in case the boat wanna move, but let's see. Good here.
Have you worked with these guys before?
Yeah.
I recognise them.
Kind of old friends at this point.
Yeah.
Vi kan godt gjøre det.
We're going up. Up the dock. The dry dock.
That's behind the line.
So we're taking the propeller off because the seal, we think the seal is damaged because salt water is getting inside the sail drive.
Just gonna get some paper.
It's not as bad as we thought. What we're going to do is replace this O-ring and that one further there internally, and hopefully that should give us the seal that we need.
So these are the rings that we're changing. Now obviously we broke them, but they're very sensitive. They sit like this together with grease, and that is the seal that holds the water from flowing in through the propeller axle. Trash.
What flavour is it? Raspberry?
That is raspberry, yeah. Do not do that at home.
We're going to go back in with those. Oh, that's much easier. The actual bolts themselves.
Put the seal into the sail drive and hope it's gonna hold. These guys are just finishing rinsing the hull now for barnacles, and in 5 minutes we're gonna put the boat back in the water. So I think that was like total 1.5 hours. Pretty good. I guess we need to go back and check the weather forecast.